Hello, my name is Saima and I'm from Home Life Miracle. Today I'm going to talk about house shopping. We do have a lot of options in the market, and because of that, sometimes the buyers they get confused if they should go for a new house or the old house. We have pros and cons for both. So, let's start with the location. New homes usually come outside the city. So if you have some specific location in your mind, like the school or your work or anything, then it's better to go for a resale. Because generally speaking, like exceptions are everywhere, but then usually the houses, the new houses, they are outside the city. So if you can compromise on the location, then you can go for a new house. Otherwise, resale is again a good option. From an exterior point of view, some may think that older houses have more character, while others may think that newer homes have new look. That said, that the older homes may look dated, but the new homes they come with the same cookie cutter design, so you don't have much to choose. In terms of lot sizes, older homes they have bigger backyards, bigger front yard, the lot sizes are big, and the space between two houses is a lot bigger than the new houses that are coming up in market. Those new houses, if you have to buy a big lot, then usually you have to pay the premium. So if you're ready to pay the premium, then you should go for a new house. And if you want like more space, like bigger backyard or front yard, then you may go for the older house. Resale homes mostly require lesser money to be spent on driveways and on fencing, landscaping, backyard, front yard, and newer houses, you have to keep a separate budget for all these things. One of the key reasons why people go for a newer home, because they can choose their own lot, they can choose the specifications that they want, they can choose their choice of things in their house, like the kitchen they want to be, how they want to be, the floors how they want to be. And in older homes, you have to live with somebody else's choices. And this is where your realtor plays a very important role. To find you the house, even if it's in resale, he can always find you a house of your choice, the way you want to be. Newer homes are made with the new building material of the new standards. They may be more energy efficient. Well, there isn't much that can be changed in the foundational element of the older houses. You can still find the houses which are nicely maintained and very well renovated. Newer houses also come with the 2-year carry-on warranty on a lot of things. You get 2 years of warranty on certain defects in work and material and 7 years of warranty on structural defects. In addition to that, the roof of the house has a lot of life, so you can have a worry-free ownership. In older homes, you may or may not experience the same thing. And this is where the role of your realtor is very important, because he can bring your attention to the things that are important for you. And again, the inspector, he plays a very important role in the inspection. With so much to consider, you may sit with your realtor to discuss your needs and wants, and he can guide you through all the options of new and resale homes. With home straight from the builder, many agents like me get a lot of notifications which general public doesn't have the access to, and we can bring those incentives to you. I'm hoping that this video must have helped you understand the pros and cons of new and resale homes. Please feel free to leave a comment of what you think about the pros and cons of new and resale homes. Thank you.